Rabble Rabble Show. I got chat to them and make them chat for it.
Rabble Rabble, you don't know say the one and only NASH-I Rabble Danger. And on this platform we do things different. Rabble Rabbles.
Bahith Yahweh. Bahith, Hebrew for house, Yahweh, the Hebrew name for God. And as we waited with the hope of speaking to the head of the church, children accompanied by 2 adults emerged. We wondered whether any of them were related to this teacher from Trelawney. For security reasons, we can't reveal her identity, but her sister and niece have been living on the compound for over a year.
I have gone there and I've spoken to my sister who says that they are going to be a set-apart nation.
She says her niece was removed from the formal education system at grade 9. She'd been a student at a prominent high school in St James and was a GSAT scholarship recipient.
Males, females, and children all living together as one with not much outside view for the children. They are not allowed outside.
She said at one point her sister was exiled from the congregation. This after the leader informed her she had a few weeks to live.
She said that she's going to learn dressmaking and how to cook and cookery. I said that's not important. What about her education leading up to going into university and having a profession? The profession that she'll have, she was getting angry at this time. The profession she'll have, she'll become a dressmaker, and whatever the Kahal leaders say, that is what we are going to obey. So she will not be going back to school. Started walking the streets of Montego Bay. She didn't want to eat. She didn't want to drink anything at all. And all she was concentrating on is that I am going to die.
Efforts, she adds, have been made in the past to report the matter to the police.
And I told him that I have heard of allegations of sexual assault and so on there. I told him that they whenever a person sinned or they did not obey their leaders, their heads were shaved, because my sister's head was shaven. And they were like, really? In Jamaica? I said, yes. And I told them, so I said, seeing that it is Falmouth, I should go to Montego Bay. I went to Barnett Street Police Station and I reported the same thing to the corporal who was at the front desk. And they kept asking if this is Jamaica. Yes, it is Jamaica. They referred me to Freeport. I went there. I told them of the situation with my niece and that there's a cult brewing in Norwood and they need to investigate it. They laughed again, asked if all what I'm saying is happening right here in Jamaica. So I said yes, but I did not stop. I kept going. I went to CDA. Nothing was done in the first instance. I went back in November of last year when my information was taken and we were called.
The woman says her family will not stop until her niece is free.
Because she's my everything. That little girl grew up in my hands. Attending school in the afternoons, she would come home with me until her mother gets home from work. But all of this was not so until the new leader took over and changed a few things. It's sad. It saddens me.
Rabble Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, yes, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings. Rabblings, Jamaica the land we love, duh. But sometimes I have to wonder if we really love it, because the things them we go on with more time. But at the end of the day, I can't tell nobody how to live them life. Everybody's supposed to know wrong from right, duh. Comment in the comment section below and tell me if I lie, me I tell. I'ma say that for say this, in a life, be the best you can be, because this world we're living in, full of distraction. Jano, Rabblings, the story that I'm about to break, me can't believe it happening in Jamaica. Me only hear them things in Europe, America, or some part of Africa. Right now, a new cult found in Jamaica, where young girls married to the elders. Jano Rabblings, it hurt me. Comment in the comment section below and tell me how you feel. Tell me now, Rabblings, what you think the authorities should do about this situation? Right now it is said police on a mission to rescue the girls. Honestly, me know there is a God, but me not to practice religion. Rabble rabble, straight Rabblings, spread this.
Gates
Kind of make your world better.
Let me hear what the public thinks. Chat. Artist, what's new?